Elon Musk does not do subtle. On June 1, 2025, he unveiled the Novacore, a new electric vehicle engine. Musk claimed it would fundamentally change EVs, not just improve them. The announcement, streamed globally, was classic Musk bold claims, futuristic names, and promises of disruption. Millions tuned in as Musk revealed the Novacore, hidden at first, as the culmination of years of secret research. He declared it the engine that will power the next generation of everything, a quantum leap in EV technology. Why does another EV motor matter? Tesla already leads, but Musk hinted at something more. He spoke of efficiency levels previously thought impossible and power outputs that would redefine performance. If even half of these claims hold true, the Novacore is a paradigm shift. It could make high-performance, long-range EVs accessible to a wider audience, accelerating the end of the internal combustion engine. The immediate buzz was deafening. Social media exploded, tech forums lit up, and analysts scrambled to understand the implications. Was this real or more of Musk's reality distortion field? The details were sparse, but the core message was clear. Tesla believed it had cracked a fundamental problem, unlocking a new era for electric mobility. The world waited, part skeptical, part hopeful. Musk had made audacious promises before and often delivered. The question now was, could he do it again with the Novacore? The stakes were incredibly high for Tesla and the future of transport. What exactly is the Novacore engine? Musk offered glimpses during his presentation. Engineers latched onto key phrases like cryo-stabilized flux conduits, suggesting a novel approach to managing magnetic fields and heat. The Novacore aims to harness these forces more efficiently, pointing to breakthroughs in materials science and thermal dynamics. It reportedly moves away from conventional permanent magnet motors, reducing reliance on rare earth metals. Musk highlighted synthomagnetic lattices, a new composite material engineered at the molecular level. This could provide magnetic strength without the environmental baggage of elements like neodymium. If successful, this would make EV production more sustainable and less vulnerable to supply chain disruptions. Musk claimed a power density increase of over 50% compared to Tesla's class-leading motors. This means more power from a smaller, lighter unit, promising a leap in efficiency, particularly at high speeds. Heat, the enemy of electric motors, is said to be managed more effectively, leading to sustained peak performance. The engineering challenges must have been immense, but Tesla's team seems to have tackled these head-on. The Novacore is not just a motor, it is a statement of Tesla's willingness to rethink fundamental components. The automotive world is watching closely, waiting for independent verification and real-world performance data. For consumers, the Novacore engine promises an electric vehicle that can travel over 600 miles on a single charge. Imagine acceleration that pushes you back into your seat, even in a family sedan. Musk hinted that Novacore technology could make base-model Teslas perform like today's premium versions. This is about eliminating range anxiety and making EVs a superior choice in every way. Beyond performance, the Novacore could lead to quieter and more reliable vehicles. Improved thermal management and fewer moving parts could reduce operational noise and stress on components. This translates to longer lifespans for the motor and reduced maintenance requirements. The ownership experience could become even more refined and hassle-free, making EVs mainstream. The environmental implications are significant. Improved motor efficiency means less energy consumed per mile. This reduces the strain on electricity grids and makes energy use more efficient. If the Novacore lessens dependency on rare earth metals, the ecological footprint of EV manufacturing could shrink. A breakthrough here would be a huge win for sustainability, aligning with Tesla's mission to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. A more efficient and potentially cheaper powertrain could make electric vehicles more accessible globally. If manufacturing costs decrease, savings could be passed on to consumers, speeding up EV adoption. The cumulative effect on global carbon emissions could be substantial. The Novacore is not just an engine, it is a tool in the fight against climate change. The Novacore is the product of Tesla's unique corporate culture crafted by Elon Musk. At its heart is first principles thinking, leading to breakthroughs rather than mere refinements. Tesla's drive for innovation is fueled by an intense, almost missionary zeal. Employees speak of the demanding environment but also of the shared sense of purpose. Musk is deeply involved in engineering details, accelerating the pace of innovation. Vertical integration is key, allowing Tesla to design and manufacture critical systems in-house. This control allows for rapid iteration and seamless integration of new technologies. Tesla can react quickly to problems or new ideas without negotiating with external suppliers. This agility is a powerful competitive advantage. Cross-pollination of ideas from Musk's other ventures like SpaceX informs Tesla's engineering philosophy. The Novacore benefits from this shared pool of knowledge and ambition. It is a product of an ecosystem built for moonshots, or in this case road trips. Despite excitement, the Novacore faces significant challenges. Manufacturing scalability is a major hurdle. Mass-producing it reliably is a different beast. Tesla has faced production hell before, and the Novacore could present new bottlenecks. Meeting performance and cost targets at scale will be a monumental task. New materials and techniques might be expensive to develop initially, delaying widespread adoption. Competitors will scrutinize every claim and setback, adding pressure to deliver. Infrastructure readiness is a concern. Existing grids must keep pace with increased EV uptake. Skepticism is inevitable. The industry is littered with technologies that never lived up to the hype. Competitors will dissect the Novacore, seeking to replicate its advantages. Scrutiny is healthy and necessary to determine if the Novacore is truly revolutionary. The Novacore's impact extends beyond Tesla's passenger cars. If proven, it could revolutionize other transportation sectors like heavy-duty trucking. A lighter, more powerful motor could make electric long-haul freight viable sooner. This would significantly impact emissions from the logistics industry. The marine industry could also benefit, enabling a new generation of electric vessels. In aerospace, a hyper-efficient motor is critical for electric flight. Tesla's strategy for the Novacore will be crucial. Will they license it to other manufacturers? Musk has opened Tesla patents before, potentially speeding up its impact across industries. Even if kept exclusive, the Novacore will push the industry forward. Competitors will need to match or surpass its performance, driving innovation. The ripples from this advancement could lift the entire tide of electric propulsion technology. The Novacore represents a critical step in accelerating the transition to sustainable energy. Widespread adoption of efficient EVs will reduce reliance on fossil fuels, a major contributor to emissions. This means cleaner air, a slowing of climate change, and a healthier planet. The economic implications are transformative, reshaping the automotive supply chain. New industries focused on advanced materials could emerge, shifting geopolitical power. Job creation in these sectors could be substantial, though economies must adapt. The Novacore could be an engine of economic change as much as an electric one. By making EVs more efficient and cheaper, the Novacore can make sustainable transportation a reality for more people. Combined with renewables, life cycle emissions of transportation could plummet. The reduction in demand for rare earth metals would alleviate environmental concerns. This holistic approach to sustainability sets the Novacore apart from incremental improvements. Elon Musk's legacy is debated, but innovations like the Novacore focus on tangible impact. If it rules the world, it will be because it offers a better way to power movement. It provides a path towards a cleaner, more sustainable future. The Novacore is a bold bet on ingenuity and a future where technology solves our biggest challenges. The world is watching to see if this bet pays off.